Oh,
Pretty tender in there, isn't it?
oh yeah, it is.
Turn your head to the right. That was nice. Clean. A lot better than last time I worked on
Oh,
it.
yeah. Yeah, that's smooth, brother.
I like that.
Oh,
It's pretty hot on that shoulder blade.
uh-huh.
Woo. This may hurt. If it goes, drop your shoulder. There you go.
Oh.
Hey, what'd you do to my spine since last time I saw you? There you go. Like loaning somebody their, when you're a kid, you loan somebody your bicycle and you get it back and it's like, what'd you do to it?